Walking around Gandia.
I'll go there.
Yeah.
Okay, baby. Be careful. Kabayo.
Wait.
Baby, look.
Oh, sorry.
Say hi to them. Pasyal kami dito, guys. Dito kami sa Gandia.
Yeah, that's nice.
My place. My country. Yeah. Officially. Finish
Sit down here now.
today. And then come back at
That one is the one that I looked on the internet.
Aquí más allá.
walking kami, guys. Okay, look. Consom. I think market.
Yeah, like. Look,
What? Ayun.
brown.
Ganito lang buhay nila dito, guys. So, tambay. Nakain sila sa labas. Oh, I have a fountain there.
Huh?
Fountain.
Really?
There, oh.
My stomach big.
Eat too much.
My stomach's big.
Ang aking asawa, kumain ng marami. Ayan, CR ng CR.
My stomach big now.
Don't hit your...
27 degrees, it says there, look. Caliente 27. Yeah.
Where did you see the 27
At the
degrees?
pharmacy. Wait, the cross.
Really?
Pharmacy. Yeah. You see the pharmacy there?
Oh, you go there.
I think it's busy.
Con cuál se cayó que le estamos haciendo.